Hi there, hope you're all well. Can I use some Kuretake colours today and to make an abstract painting? I'm going to use some really nice lush pinky kind of colours. I'm just going to put some little layers onto my page, just gently using a size 10 brush. And just use the end of the brush here just to make some nice patterns. So they're sort of like little holes in your page with sort of raggedy edges. Nothing's quite perfect. That's how I like it. I get very frustrated if I try and do perfect. I can do it, but I just find it so tiresome when you're concentrating, and so frustrating if you get it wrong. So now I tend to just go with the flow. I'm not expecting perfect, so if my expectations aren't high, then I'm quietly surprised if something turns out where I actually like it. Whereas expecting something to turn out perfect. Enjoy the process, see what happens. Sometimes things turn out and they are rubbish, but you know, I've really enjoyed my time. And sometimes I think, oh, I really like that. So for me, painting is just more about being in the moment. Letting my worries drift away and just enjoying my time painting. So if you're new to painting, abstract is a very good place to start, just because it's quite free and you really can't go wrong. You know, it's all about just experimenting, trying new things, see whether you like it, and if you do, that's great, and if you don't, you can just try to do something else. It's sort of like a learning process as you go along with painting. I'm quite sure. Don't worry if it's not perfect. I'm going to add, I think, this nice green to the page. Just sort of following that line there. Literally just using the tip of the paintbrush and letting the brush just move around. Just using the tip of the brush to make these shapes. Okay, I'm just going to let that dry. Okay, so the paint's nearly dry. I'm quite happy to work with it as it is. So I've just got a black fine liner pen. I'm just going to make some embellishments on here. Do some shading. Make these look a bit more like holes that are looking through the picture, and just see what happens. away the tape. And there it is, beautiful abstract painting with various details on there. Hope you can see all of that detail on there and the shading that's gone on here. Hope you've liked that. Okay, see you soon.